What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I've got mice. What I have here are magic mice. These are the Apple official Magic Mouse 2, and I've got it in the white and the black. And basically, this one's called Space Gray, I think, and this is silver. So whatever, I'm not sure why, but basically I wanted to just show them to you. I love my Magic Mouse here, and as you can see, it has like a Gorilla Glass top. You can use it almost like a trackpad. There's no moving part, no scrolling wheel. You just click. You can see it physically clicks, but swiping back and forth and up and down moves everything around. Nice anodized aluminum back here, and it's rounded on the edges with a couple of sliders, and you can see the laser there, or the sensor, and then a little power switch. This one is the one that you see everywhere, and that's because it is $20 cheaper than this one, and I'm not sure exactly why, but I really do like it. And so I guess the colors are based on the anodized aluminum on the back. So I'm not sure why this is $20 more, but it does look awesome. It shows fingerprints. You know, I don't know if this is Gorilla Glass, but it certainly looks like it, but it's got a kind of a black charcoal like front. All the same features, just feels nice in the hand. It's a little maybe flatter than I would like. I wouldn't mind a little bit more palm support up here, but you've got the logo underneath there. And then down here, again, the same curved aluminum. Sensor and power switch, and then also right here on both of these, you recharge these with a regular lightning cable that you would find, with any of your Apple accessories. Charges your phone, your iPads, those type of things. So it's really easy to charge them, and they charge pretty quickly here. So I just wanted to show this to you because you can order these. I think this one, I might be a little wrong, but I think the silver one is $79.99 and this one is $99.99, and so that's kind of funny to me. I think they feel like they should be exactly the same price. The reason I have two of them is I have my desktop Mac that I like using the Apple accessories with, but then also my MacBook. I've just realized that when I'm on the road, I do not like using trackpads, track points, all of that. I hate using kind of the built-in stuff on laptops. It's just really more convenient for me to have a separate mouse, so that's why I got this, and it works so well with it. So anyway, just wanted to show it to you. If you want to pick it up, you absolutely can. I'll put a link to the Magic Mice in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.